Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to find and install EWG's Healthy Living app. So first thing first, open App Store, just click on that blue icon right here on your home screen. Then make sure that you log in on your Apple account. Then click on the search button right here. And in the search bar, type in EWG's Healthy Living app. And go search right here. Then scroll down a little bit until you find the app. So click on that, then click Get, then Install, then confirm installation through Face ID or Touch ID, or using password from your Apple account. So now it's all done. The app is 51.3 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.